Hi, thanks for joining me. Today I'm doing another unboxing, and this is a cute little item I found at the Dollar Tree. And of course I thought it was going to be really great because it's a diffuser. Now, I use a lot of diffusers and I have quite a few different ones. These are really great. They're great for setting a mood. They're great for your meditation. They're great for any type of spiritual work. They're great for just relaxing. So I do recommend people to get one of these. They can be quite expensive. So when I saw this one, I thought, wow, let me grab one of these and try it out. So I read the box before I purchased it, and I saw that it says you don't use water. So that's what it's boasting, that you don't have to use water in it. They give you a little ring, and those rings used to be quite large. Years ago, you used to drop a few drops of essential oil on them and sit them on top of a light bulb. That was when we had the lamps that had the bulbs in them, so the diffuser ring would sit on top of the light bulb. And I don't know what it was made out of, some type of cloth, but it didn't catch fire. You didn't put a lot of oil on it, just enough so that the heat from the light bulb would go up and scent it. It would scent the room. It was really nice. But we don't use those types of lamps anymore. Anyway, it goes by that concept, and I thought that would be really nice. However, my main concern was to see how long this would actually last on battery power. So it takes 2 AAA batteries is what it takes, and it's called Be Pure. Guess that's the manufacturer of it, Be Pure. So let's go. It's a nice color, small box, fits in, I guess, both hands. But this is really nice to go in your desk or in the restroom or a small size room. I'm not sure if it would send up a full size room. I have no idea. So anyway, it says mind, body, and soul, which of course they're showing that sleep time, meditation, or just relaxing. But that's what you use the diffusers for, to send up an area. Alright, so let's see the unboxing. Here it is. This is the diffuser. I don't know what I thought it looked like. It is showing, it looks just like the package, gray. The white top, white bottom, and a white button there. Alright. Let's see what else is in here. You have the instructions, of course. And you have the rings. They come in this little thing. You get 2. This little pack, you get 2 of those rings. So I have assembled it, pre-assembled it, but I'll show you what it is. I couldn't figure this thing out, but the bottom you just turn slightly, so it doesn't turn much. It turns slightly in one direction or the other, but I'm just going to pop this off. And under it, you see it's got this little fan that's going to spin around. Boy, that oil smells so good. This is the power button. You see it running. You can hear it running. Turn that off. You have to open this up using one of these little small eyeglass screwdrivers. If you have a screwdriver set that has a small enough thing on here, I guess you could use that too. It was just difficult using a regular size screwdriver. But anyway, it takes 2 AA batteries. You don't want to see me screwing and unscrewing this thing. That's what it takes. So I just put that in there. They ask you to not use water in it, and to use the, okay, we'll leave that alone. It's working. So it works fine every time. It works fine every time. So that's great. And I have the ring in there. I'll let you see what it is. So I pop it on. I'm just going to pop it in here and let you see what happens. We're going to turn it on. You hear that noise? what happens is every time, this happens every time, this little thing, the ring, diffuser ring, gets caught on this fan. So it makes that weird sound. I'm going to keep it standing up straight in case you think I was tilting it. It's standing up straight. That's what happens. It gets caught. So I'm going to turn it off, pop it off. See there? It gets caught on the fan. And you have to just pull it off. It comes right off, but it gets caught on that fan. So it's not a great buy. They don't want you to put the oil in there unless you glue that little ring down on there. I'd probably drop a couple of drops of oil in there and it may work just fine. Other than that, that's not a buy for me. But it's nice. It does scent up the place. All right, thanks for joining me. Until next time.